Haiti, no stranger to earthquakes, but at 7.0 on the Richter scale, this was the most powerful in 120 years. All the more devastating at ground level because it happened so near to the surface. The epicenter just 7 miles down. Shallower quakes mean more shaking, more collapsed buildings and more casualties. Seismologists around the world now checking rafts of data.
It's a very shallow earthquake, and that very shallow depth coupled with the size of the earthquake meant that there was very strong ground shaking in the vicinity of the fault, and unfortunately that area is very densely populated.
Densely populated, points out Stuart Sipkin from the United States Geological Survey. Also very poor, the poorest in the Western Hemisphere. The epicenter was just 10 miles southwest of the impoverished capital, Port-au-Prince, which lies near the boundary of two tectonic plates. Kate Hutton is a seismologist at the California Institute of Technology.
Near the boundary between the North American plate up here and the Caribbean plate here. And the motion is like this.
In the coming weeks, further danger will come from aftershocks, likely to cause landslides. Smaller than the initial shock, they punch above their weight, affecting buildings that have already been damaged and hampering relief efforts. But disruptions to communications also mean the full extent of the disaster might not be clear for several days.